Okay, y'all. So we have an active Mars transitioning into the seventh house of Sagittarius for my Gemini ascendants today. So, with this being in place, this is your house of like partnerships, relationships, business partnerships, your spouse, things of that nature, right? So, of course, we have like basically the holidays, stuff like that coming up, or just overall in general, right? Because nobody wants to be really spending a lot of energy arguing, fighting, having disagreements. Believe it or not, it takes a lot of energy. So, basically, today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the remedy for this active Mars. So, what you want to do to counter all that so that you can alleviate and possibly bypass all these potential arguments and disagreements that can come up between business partnerships and your spouse and things of that nature. I want to give you quite a few remedies to counter these things that can happen. So, of course, the planet Mars is very fiery, is active, it likes to move quickly, it's impulsive. So, what you want to do to counter that is, of course, you can do like some workouts, do some physical activities, such as like play sports, do some martial arts, dance, etc. Things of that nature. Like if you have like games you can play that requires a lot of movement, dancing classes, active exercise, playing sports, martial arts. Those just some examples, some few examples you can do to counter this active Mars. You can also, what also helps with this is putting things together. So if you've been procrastinating in the house with those, putting that TV up, building that entertainment system, getting some construction done to the house, or whatever it is, some furniture pieces, do that. That alleviates it as well. Also, what also works is you could donate to charity, like some clothes, uh, anything in particular that you want to donate, especially if you have like some red items, you have some red clothes or some things red in nature, do that and donate. I'm not too sure how y'all feel about this, but you can also donate some blood as well. Donating blood helps with this situation as well. And you just want to practice, most importantly, you want to practice patience. Just think before you speak. Be mindful of your choice of words, as they can cut a lot more deeply this time with this active Mars being real active right now at this time. So just be patient and have open communication. Speak honestly, and be willing to compromise as well. I know a lot of us like to have our pride in the way, so sometimes you gotta bite the bullet and find the strength within your heart to compromise. Also, as well, you would want to chant some mantras, some breathing exercises, do some meditation techniques. That helps a lot with this as well. Um, that alleviates a lot of this. And also, if you can, don't know if a lot of you are into plants or anything of that nature. If you have some plants, water your plants. Do that as well. avoid eating too heavy. Try not to eat too heavy as well. And overall, make sure you're really communicating effectively with your partners, whether that's your spouse, your business partner, your friends, your colleagues at work, your supervisors, your bosses, whatever. Just try to find open communication. Be willing to compromise, and put some of that pride to the side. So there you have it. There's a few remedies for you for this active Mars in your 7th house, Geminis. We already get the name of being two-sided and being bipolar and having all these different personalities. So with this active Mars right now, just be mindful of this transit of Mars, and yeah, just use these remedies that I gave you effectively, and hopefully this shall bypass. So catch y'all in the next video. Peace.